What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at what is the Blaufränkisch wine, grape variety, where is it grown, what type of wine it makes. We are going to be looking at how to pronounce the name of this grape properly as well. This is episode number 9 of the What the Fruit series, this video series where we explore step by step all the wonders and obscurities in the world of wine. You have to know that Blaufränkisch is one of the most popular grape varieties, in particular in Austria and Hungary. In Austria it is the second most popular red wine grape variety, just behind Zweigelt. The name Blaufränkisch itself means Blau means blue and Frankisch means French, so it's kind of the blue French grape. The type of wine that it makes is rather dark, intensely colored red wines with a lot of pungent red berry fruit flavors and a hint of peppery spices as well. It's slightly spicy, so they are medium bodied, not too rich, not too big, but intensely colored and quite powerfully flavored as well. Blaufränkisch is grown all around Austria, but in particular in the area that is called the Burgenland. It's also quite reputable coming from the Neusiedler Sea in Austria. You will find some Blaufränkisch also grown, as I said, in Hungary, but also notably in the United States, in particular in the New York's Finger Lakes wine region as well as Washington, but you'll find scarcely planted some around the United States as well, like in California, in Indiana, Pennsylvania, Colorado, etc. etc. And that's pretty much it. You're not going to find Blaufränkisch grown in many other areas around the world. So you've heard me say Blaufränkisch a few times already. Yes, that's the way to say it, even though my German or Austrian is probably not 100% perfect, but still it's around Blaufränkisch, 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 Blaufränkisch wine grape variety. This is what you need to know about the Blaufränkisch grape. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. If you like learning more about wine, you found the right channel. Here are more videos for you, and feel free to browse around the channel. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.